Hey guys, welcome to earnmoneyontheinternet.org. And today, as promised, I wanted to show you a little bit of the basics behind HTML and CSS. So, what's HTML? What's CSS? It's basically the code that defines how your page looks like and how your website look on the browser. So if you go to our web page, for example, here, and you right click and you choose View Page Source, uh, what you see here is all HTML, and CSS is like behind the scenes. I'll show you later on. CSS defines the style of the page, uh, while HTML defines the content. Um, so I'll show you what it looks like without CSS. So I'll just deactivate the page style. So you see, without the CSS, all the content is there, like the pictures and text, but not the style and colors and stuff like that. So this is what CSS does. The reason why I think this video tutorial is important for you guys, and I am aware that for most people wanting to start in the affiliate marketing business, it's not about technologies, and a lot of people they don't really like technologies, but they know they have to learn it a bit and go through the first learning curve if they want their business to be successful. And I also know that you don't have necessarily to be very well versed in HTML or CSS, but the thing is, at one point or another, you're going to have to touch on some, and you better been prepared, because you're gonna be searching a lot and losing a lot of your time if you don't know anything about it. So today I'm gonna try to cover a lot of ground. It's gonna be fast, and for those who've never touched HTML, it might be maybe too much material, but watch it a couple times again and again, and you should understand. And the funny thing is also that even though you don't do HTML on a regular basis, there's some concepts that you might have heard about your websites that you don't understand, that you'll get to understand once we discuss HTML. So let's start right away. What we'll do is we'll go in the administrative section of our website here. By the way, if you didn't watch, didn't know about this website here, it's the website that was built for the video course that you get for free if you register for my newsletter on the website, earnmoneyontheinternet.org. So register for the newsletter if you haven't, and you'll see I start from scratch, and I built this website here with WordPress. So in the context of today's course, we're going to do some HTML in WordPress, because a lot of people who code websites, they do it like on simple text editors, all from scratch, all from nothing, all in HTML. But you don't have to do that. The only HTML and CSS you need to know is to be able to edit like the styles and the way the text goes in your articles. So WordPress does a lot for you already, but still you might have to do some stuff yourself. So let's go ahead and create a new post. And usually when you're in WordPress, you'll see the visual tab is highlighted first. So when you write in text here, say this is my text, and I'll just put a title, test article, and so usually you would style text just by clicking easy buttons like this, and you know, you could put pictures and links. Let's say I put a link here. Let's lead it to wikipedia.org, just for examples sake. Okay. And let's find a picture. Let's put a picture in. Let's find a picture of a cat. So let's say we choose this picture here. Okay, so this is the URL for this picture. I will delete this example afterwards, and don't take pictures anywhere just like that, because the owners have a right on their pictures. So this is just for an example, it won't be posted. But if you do take pictures, make sure you have the right to use them. And what you can do is save the pictures on your web server in a special folder. And then in WordPress you just click here to add a picture. And you enter, either you go find it in your computer or you type the URL. And if it's on your server, just type the URL where it is on your server. Okay, and usually I recommend putting some alternative text. This is the only thing Google can see about your picture, because Google and other search engines, um, they don't see what's in the picture. They don't see the content, so it's like blank for them. So if you put text behind it, it gives the picture meaning. So it's good for search engine optimization purposes. So let's go ahead and insert this picture. Oh, it's a little big. Oh yeah, just make it a little smaller, and we'll put in some CSS, so I'll be able to show you in the code what it looks like. So let's say style, I'll add a border of let's say 4 pixels. Let's make it dotted, and let's make it let's say red. So update. Alright, you see, it's not really pretty, but it's not the purpose of the exercise. Alright, so let's say we post our test article. And if we refresh the page here, we should have it in our articles here. Yeah, test article. Alright, so this is our article. You see that this is the Sexy Bookmarks plugin. It's installed by default on all the articles. Alright, so up until now you don't need to edit any HTML. You don't need to know anything, but I'll show you what it looks like. So if you go on the HTML tab, this is your page with the HTML code. So let's check. Here it's normal, as if nothing happened. And now we have something special here. This is called a tag, and oftentimes there's an opening and a closing tag. So the way it works is everything that's in between this opening and closing tags will be affected by the tag. And the strong tag is to bold some text. A couple of years ago, the older versions of HTML had a B tag, a little bit like that, to put the text in bold. But it was changed to give more context to the more meaning to the text. It's not just bolded text. It's strong text, and it means, it tells the search engines that the text that's put in under strong tags is more important than the rest. So it's good to use the strong tag, while in WordPress use the bold, but in the end it gets translated as strong. It's good to use it for your keywords in your text. Okay, so you see that you use the way you would do a tag. I'll do one for you. Let's make maybe a underline text. No, let's make. Wait a minute. Let's make a italic text. The tag would be just I. So you open it and you write your text, and then you close it. Don't forget your / when you close it. Alright, so let's go and see. See, hello is in italic. A little bit like if we used this button here. So up until now, you've seen that all of this can be done in the visual editor, of course. But it's good stuff to know. And the next subject is anchor text. So you'll hear a lot about anchor text in the SEO world and the link building world. And anchor text, what it means is the text that's linked. Sorry. So the link here, for example, this is the link. This is the text that when you click it, it will